Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add multiple picture watermark in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add multiple picture watermark. Go to the View menu. Then go to the Master Pages menu. Then go to Insert menu. Click Picture option. Then choose the multiple picture from our file. Now select this picture, then press Ctrl on our keyboard to select multiple picture, then click Insert. Now we can see here inserted two picture. Then we move these two picture on our page and resize it. Increase the size and set on the page. Then go back the Master Pages menu, click Close Master Page. Now we can see we add multiple picture watermark very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.